Yeah, hello friends, so welcome to our channel again. So today we'll be going to have a look at the Nifty intraday option buying strategy. Okay, so this is based on the Nifty futures. So based on the Nifty futures movement, we'll be going to buy an options. Okay, and also like there is a disclaimer that so please do your own analysis before taking any real trade, and this content or examples posted is not a recommendation, and it's an educational content only. Okay, and also friends, so we have posted a lot many intraday option strategies or even the cash equity or future intraday strategies. So please do subscribe to our channel and click on that bell icon, and also watch our all the videos which we have posted before these videos, so that you can get the proper more strategies for doing an intraday. Okay, so option buying Nifty setup. So also friends, so please don't forget to follow me on my Twitter ID. So Twitter ID has been posted in the descriptions as well. So Nifty option buying strategy. Okay, so we should select the 1-day candle to plot the high and low of the previous day in Nifty future. Okay, so choose the 1-day candlestick pattern candle of the Nifty futures and mark the high and low of the previous day's candle. So if you are going to trade for today, then you need to mark down the high and low of the yesterday's Nifty future. Okay, so then note down the call option strike price near the high price and the put option strike near the low price of the day. So for example, the Nifty's high and low of yesterday is like 9870 and 9723 respectively. Then you can choose the nearest call option of 9900, which is near to that 9870, and 9700 put option, which is near the 9723. Okay, so now we have taken the high and low price of the yesterday's candle, and based on that we have selected two options, which is one is an call option near the high price and one is the put option near the low price for the trading day. Okay, so then buy setup. So choose the 5-minute candle, 5 minutes time frame in a Nifty future on the trading day. Okay, so then mark the high and low of the price between the time period of 9:15 a.m. and 11 a.m. Okay, so you should not enter into the trade until of 11 a.m. So we have to mark the high and low price whichever happened between this time, which is at 9:15 a.m. and 11 a.m. Okay, so then wait for the 5 minutes candle to completely close above the high of the Nifty future. Okay, so wait for any of the candle to close either on the high side or the downside. So here we are having looking at the buy setup. So you should wait for the candle to close above the high of the 5 minutes high of the candles, whatever the time between this 9:15 and 11 time frame. Okay, so if the breakout happens, then look at the chosen call option and buy at the same time frame where the breakout happened. Okay, so if for example at the time of 11:30 or 12 o'clock the breakout happened on the upside, then you can buy the call option which you have chosen based on that yesterday's high at the same time whenever the breakout happens. Okay, and keep the SL as low of the breakout time frame candle in option, and keep the target of 1.5 to 2 times of SL. If you're having if you're keeping the 10 point as an SL, then you should get the profit of at least 15 points to 20 points. Okay, so this is an example of Nifty's on 18th June. Okay, so this is an 18th June. So here we'll be taking the high of 10,100 and low of 9,825. Okay, so we'll be taking the 10,100 call option for next day's trade and 9,800 put option. So whenever the breakout happens on the upside, we'll be going to buy the 10,100 call option. Okay, so here you can see that. So here I have here it's mentioned what is the high and low of the particular trading day on 18th June. Okay, so this is the 19th June. So I have plotted the 5 minutes candle and I have marked the high and low of the candle till 11 o'clock. So you can see that this is 11 a.m. So 11 a.m. candle. So you can see this is the high for the day till 11 a.m. and this is the low for the day till 11 a.m. sorry, yes, right, so till 11 a.m. so here you can see the candle the Nifty doesn't move on the low side, and it gave the breakout on the upper side by breaking this 10,160 high price and the 5 minutes candle closed above this price. Okay, so this happened at the time of 11:25 a.m. So you can see that the high is 10,168, which has get broken. So now we have to go to our call option and we need to buy it. Okay, so this is the candle of at the time of 11:25, at the same time which when the Nifty's high gets broken, right? So this high is 183.65. So we'll be buying the 10,100 put option call option at the level of this 184. Okay, so if you have a look at this low of this candle, you can see that 167 is the low, and we'll be having the SL of 17 points. So target should be around 1.5 to 2 times. So the SL will the target will be 30 points. So you can see that the target has been achieved in like 30 minutes of time frame. Okay, so this is an buy setup. So this is an sell setup. Okay, so for selling the Nifty option, you have to choose the 5 minutes in Nifty future on trading day and mark the high and low price between the time frame of 9:15 a.m. and 11 a.m. So wait for the 5 minutes candle to completely close below the low of the Nifty future. So if the breakout happens, then look at the chosen put option which we chose based on the low and high price of the previous day's candle. So after that we'll be buying the same time frame at the same time frame where the breakout happened. So keep SL as high of the breakout time frame. So here I mentioned as low, so ignore it. So there is a mistake in this PPT. So keep the high of the breakout time frame candle in options strike and keep the target of 1.5 to 2 times of SL. So here you can see on the 15th June we have the high of 9904 and the low of 9682. Okay, so we'll be choosing the 9900 call option and 9700 put option for the next day's trading. Okay, so here you can see this is the high of the candle on 16th June and this is the low till the 11 a.m. So at the time of 11:30 you can see the breakout happens on the lower side by breaking the low of 9960, right? So we have chosen the 9700 put option. So at the time of 11:30 you can see the high of the candle is 107 and SL will be having 99.45, so which is the low of the candle. So we'll be having the SL as 10 points. So we'll be keeping the profit target as 15 points. Okay, so here you can see that after that it moved the way to higher, right? So it went even till 225. If you are trailing your SL, then it's better and good, you can achieve the maximum profit. And if you are a conservative normal trader, then you can always book the profit whenever the target of that 15 points 1.5 to 2 times gets achieved. Okay, so if you are doing with the multiple lots, if you are trading with the 10 lots, then you can book the 5 lots profit at 1.5 times or 2 times of the SL. Then you can keep on trialing the SL for the balance pending 5 lots. Okay, so this is one of the best option strategy for intraday. You can also do this strategy in Bank Nifty as well. So I just took a Nifty as an example here. So thanks for watching, friends. So please do subscribe to our channel and click on the bell icon so that you'll be getting the notifications whenever we upload any new videos. So thanks.